Good morning, friends. So yeah, this has been a busy place here this morning. I've never been here to the Grasslands when there's been this many people hanging out. But yeah, I'm here in this campsite by myself, but lots of traffic keeps going by. I don't know what exactly they're up to. I think I'm going to fly my drone and try to find out that way. Yeah, let's do it. What's going on out here this weekend, but something definitely is. There has been so much traffic. I've never seen anything like this. I've camped out here probably 30 times and I've never seen this kind of traffic. So I'm gonna go try to figure out what's going on here. This morning, cars started rolling through here, just lines of them. I don't know where they're all going. It's crazy. So anyway, yeah, my plan of the weekend was to have the place to myself. I didn't know it was going to be a popular destination. Ooh, I found the firewood mother lode. I'm gonna come over here later. Alright, let's go see what's going on. There's nobody camped here. So where are these people going? It's a nice little campsite. Said all this camping is free. There's a pay campground up the ways, but any of this dispersed camping, it's free. Pretty nice little sites. This one's real big. You can pull your vehicle all the way up here. It's fairly level. Fire pit. So normally I'll be out here for the weekend and I'll see maybe 15 cars the whole weekend. See 15 a minute this weekend. I don't get it. I wonder what's up. As far as I know, there are not any parking lots big enough to accommodate this kind of crowd. Crazy. Yeah, this is further than I remember it being. Sorry about the wind, you guys. I forgot my little mic. Sorry, blind views. Don't kill me, man. But yeah, it's not too windy today. Hopefully you'll live. And just look at all those cars. Wow. What the heck? I get the solid traffic now. Didn't actually stop and talk to anybody because they all looked pretty tired. So I deduced by my surroundings that they ran a marathon out here. One guy had a number on the back of his shirt, and it said the National Grasslands Marathon, so that was my first clue. Then one girl was saying, I'm gonna go and put some chicken on my sandwich with lots of mayonnaise, and I'm gonna drink a big thing of water, and then I'm gonna take a nap. So something tells me they just ran a marathon. So I found this trail, so I don't have to go back down the road. But the problem with that is I have no idea if it leads back to camp, so. I come by my name, honestly, I sure do. If I can get lost on land, I will. Again. But it's a well-marked trail. It's the blue trail. That just doesn't mean anything to me because I don't know what the trails are out here. They are horse trails for the most part. But somebody's been running them today. See lots of tennis shoe marks. That's so great. Hi, how's it going? Good. Oh, I guess it's still going on. Whoops. Hi. Hi. How's it going? Maybe this isn't a good idea. I don't want to be in their way. They don't seem to be in a hurry, so it'll be all right. Hi. Good. I didn't realize there was a marathon going on out here today. Yeah.
Make it look like we're running.
Yeah, I'll put it in double speed. Yeah, I decided to take the road the rest of the way back. I think the trail's busier than the road is. All the horses and the people. I don't want to get in their way. I'll get dusted. I don't think I'm all that much further, really.